Hello, in this video we're going to take a look at how to calculate Anova, analysis of variance, one-way Anova in SPSS. We use this when we want to compare the means between more than two groups, three or more in this case. And so in this sample set we have three treatment groups. You'll notice they're denoted by 1s, 2s, and 3s in this column. And we have science pre and post tests, and we're going to be interested in the post test. So in this scenario, imagine you give a pretest and then you place students in different groups, types of instruction, for example, maybe. And then at the end you give the post-test, and you'd like to look and compare the differences in the post-test scores and see if there's a statistically significant difference in your results based on your treatment. And so to do that, we could use one-way Anova. Go up to Analyze, Compare Means, one-way Anova. The dependent variable would be the science post-test scores, found at the bottom here. And our factor would be the treatment. Now what's important here is that in our options we want to select our descriptives, because this will display our means for each group. That is very important, so we want to always choose options and descriptives, otherwise you'll be missing some information. So when we pull this up, what you'll notice is in group 1 they ended with the 88 average for 14 students. The group 2 treatment group had an average of 81 and the group 3 had 85. But the question is, were these significantly different from a statistical standpoint? And if we go down here to this key measure, the 0.155 is above the 0.05 value. So this is not a statistically significant difference. And so we wouldn't be able to report this as a finding in a study as having a significant effect. We'd need this to be under 0.05. So this is how we would calculate that, looking at more than two groups. So of course you could have multiple treatments, you could have 4 groups, 5 groups, and on up, and one-way Anova would cover that. So hope this video is helpful in that you'll have an exercise this week where you'll get to practice some more using one-way Anova.